Hello guys, you use smartphone TECNO POP 3. This version 1 GB RAM memory and 16 GB internal memory. Start unpacking, recompletation device. Okay, made of plastic. In completation we have protected back cover, headphones, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay, on the back side camera and fingerprint scanner LED, on the front side 5.7-inch display, front camera, front LED and talk speaker. Right side power key and volume keys, down side headphones jack, USB Type-C port, micro USB port and microphone. Okay, turn on device. TN matrix, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. MediaTek MT6580, this CPU. GPU Mali 400 MP. Okay. Close this. Open AnTuTu benchmark, look score AnTuTu benchmark. Geekbench 5 doesn't work, don't have results. Only AnTuTu benchmark we have results in benchmarks. Wait loading. AnTuTu benchmark result. Okay, close this and open demanding game PUBG Mobile Lite. We'll have this game work on the device. Let's see gameplay. Okay, gameplay. Game works on low graphics, very low graphics, and low smooth. But we can play in this game on the low graphics level. Okay, close this. And now talk about camera. Main camera 5 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.